Hey guys, welcome back to BTech. If you have low quality images and videos, or if your videos and images contain noise, blurry effects, WinX Video AI will be your best tool. Artificial intelligence powers the WinX Video AI tool and it is capable of enhancing the quality of videos and images. In this video, we will review the WinX Video AI tool. The download link of this software is available in the video description. After installation, launch this. You will see the interface like this. So WinX Video AI is an AI powered video and image enhancer tool that is capable of doing multiple things in addition to upscaling and stabilizing your videos and images. You can use it to enhance old, low quality, noisy and blurry videos and images. First of all, let's talk about Image AI. The Image AI tool allows you to enhance the quality of your images. To use Image AI, you can add the image you want to process to the software by using the drag and drop method, or you can also add images by clicking on the Add Image button. After adding the image, it will take a few seconds to show the preview of the image. It shows two types of preview. You can switch the preview by clicking on the respective buttons. You can adjust the settings to apply the changes to your images on the right panel. There are two main settings, anim and reality. And you can switch to anim for a more cartoonish enhancement style. On the model setting, we can whether choose to enhance and upscale the image dimension by 2, 3 or 4 times bigger, or we can choose enhance image to only 1x. At the bottom, we have got the export settings and we have two image formats. So here you can see the result. After the image processing completes, it opens the folder containing the output images automatically. So now let's select another photo. You can adjust the settings according to your need. So when you are done, click on the Run button to start processing. You can use the Video AI tool of WinX Video AI to enhance the quality of your videos. Using this tool is simple. Simply upload your video. You can also upload the entire folder containing videos. All the options required to enhance the video quality are available on the right side. You can select these options as per your requirement. By enabling the frame interpolation option, you can add the slow motion effect to your videos. When you are done, click on the Run button to start processing. Processed video will be saved in the default folder automatically. And here you can preview the result. And by using the video converter tool, you can convert your videos from one format into another format. And you can also convert a video file into an audio file. The Toolbox tab contains more tools to process your videos. And the Recorder tool allows you to record videos. It has 3 recording options: screen, webcam, screen and webcam. You can select the desired option as per your requirement. To start recording, click on the Record button. So in addition to image and video enhancer tool, it also includes a video converter and a video recorder. Hence, it is a complete suite for content creators. The download link of this software is available in the video description, so must check it out. And subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.